niya pake pathkuli sausage khasi kono awai ni pake tele li sausage khane kevra la ta e tamu to ko ta e dobwe ta e le pake tele mala asset te bar kha asa na kira awai ta e ni soda we do da we do no yo na ta no yo na ta sa da we do yo na ta no pake tele mala da we do yo na ta age kloni dile okay what to talk about the David and the Jonathan no David and Jonathan no da we do yo na ta age ma no pake path ku to set them we holo batamu ko ni lo okay we want to start to read about the okay what happening and David and the Jonathan okay I want to talk about the between we understand about the you know what David is jealousy the Saul jealousy okay of David this means is very important we should think about carefully no Penny pekelele taita klur khata mata te phanelo the David flees from the nation at the Ramas and went to the Jonathan no and asked no penelo soda win a khimo no khiwara su begten mala no now nayo no do penelo awel le su no kora Rama no penelo begten mala awel le su Pagitama Yonatha Odo Watikwa no why have I done no tera la yamakama manitimile no what had I done no yamakama mandila what is my crime no my crime no panino yatakama odmi manitimile how has I wronged your father no yamakama yamara takamu kamala napani manitimile now thus he is trying to take my life you know letale hotara awal huklesora hini no hini wala jata tamuni lo no never Jonathan replied no awat hini ba no Jonathan tewara no awat hini ba no never no the hini ba no you are not going to die no net thiba ba no net thiba ba look my father doesn't do anything great or small without confidence in me no pagiter mala yapani tamada le yigo tanomi ba no pagiter mala takhi le assisi ka bud khala ne tamasi ko ba no away ni no why would he hide this from me no pagiter mala ba manu le away pagiter maka pakutu ta le atagwe le yemen yago ni manitimile it's not so no away sick or tameba no error no away tameba no but David thought and said no panido no so that when he knew that all of David your father know very well thus I have found favors in your eye no pain na pani thinya wada la no pagitena la ne eya no ne eya la away thinya wada no and he has said to himself no Jonathan might not know this or he will be grievous no Jonathan is the thing no do away stick on it away kamaya di no yes as surely as the Lord live and as you live there is only a step between me and death no pagiten ma milo no sekto kaini tamita tolo no kasa yo muwe don muwe when it clear the ball naro ya person no let tathi no tathi ne no yaro na mo yaro ya tathi no between me and death no pagiten ma yabati ma Jonathan said to David whatever you want me to do I will do for you no Jonathan tebara la ke yaba mane na minute mile no tebara so da win ke yakamane na pagiter ma whatever you want me to do no talent edo merle yamani na tat me no I will do for you no yakamani no no when I will do for you yakamani no okay no so David said look tomorrow is no panina so no there la so that we see whether no David ne David look no kwa tomorrow is the new moon festival and I am supposed to no dining with the king no panero come sini kera la pagda moon festival over no letan ko ra pa ko opa ko ora no yekaba ura panemo no yekaba o da so pa panelo but let me go and hide in the field until the evening of the day after tomorrow no no peda la yeko okutu mo no do okutu ya la pagda ma la chiplobu no tu lo la mu ha lo la pagda ma do come sit ni siko no after tomorrow no if no pagda ma if your father misses me at all no do pagda ma la away ni na pa ni me ka tino ya ba no away to tino ya ba no tell me no do te ba ya na pa ni ka tino ya te ba ya no David no honestly asked my permission to hurry to Bethlehem no panero pagtena mala pane soda wini no awetira la no awakhita tami la ye omo no aweta la awe odo tai ta klu la awekale la Bethel no Bethlehem no do his town no his whole town no well kira la akacha ati akora no la akacha do the water because as an annual sacrifice is being made there for his home clean no do phane do ta ma wala pagitena ma la tani de blo ba kha la ta lu do ta agi eklo no phane pagitete ma la phane no ta ma wala no go upload it no if he say very well no do awamite wala la gili then your servant is safe no no panero nakuna pwane tera la kapu play but if he lose his temper no he lose temper sidane pagidama awatu do ta plo me balo awat it what batu batalo part ka kiwedin no you can be sure that he is determined to harm me no awani nakatinya la awaka patu patala tamu puno awaka sumala awaka ma awakama hawayana no kama sayama no as for use no la awani mitala no learn no so kindness to your servant no pay ni no with us to pa plano nata tukunyo taganyo minme manata pagiter mala nata gita wala nakuna pa amenya no bamamnu le Jonathan ne kebra so solo apo kwa akhustaro ne away ne mitala soda wita khine no for you has brought him into the covenant with you before the Lord no away ne mitala ta he soda la no na pagiter mata soda ta uata no ta uata la pagiter mala no na do no kasayo if I am guilty sitane pagiter mala no pagiter mala ta la takra ba ma to kill me yourself no then kill me yourself no yame pagiter mala yame guilty ni no nama thia le no kasara we why help me over to your father no away ni ba manu le pagiter mala no hand me over to your father ba manu le na ke hilo ya le na pa o le no ma thia le no kasane ba do no awani soda we sister ba manu le na ke hilo ya le na pa o le never Jonathan said no when Jonathan sira to me ba no never no yet hilo na ba if I have the last inkling that my father was determined to hang you no away ne mita no lucky to no you can see away ne mita yapa me pa atala pagina kama sana ne wanted I tell you no away ne yet tena ma no away me masa yet tena ma no David asked who will tell me no pagina ma merga ke te ya ga le no if your father answer your harshly no do pagna na pa me si shelo pagina ma harshly le tatudo sa plone pagina ma kam Jonathan said no pane do he pagina ma la no Jonathan ni te ba wa no he no let's go out into the field เนาะปกติมาเลปกติมาเลจิบลอบมาเนาะ so they went there together เนาะเอาไว้ที่เลวขี้อะไรดิสโลเนาะ then Jonathan said to David เนาะพันเนี่ยเรา Jonathan เนี่ยสิบ่าวว่าสวดเอาไว้เลย by the Lord เนาะแล้วก็ใส่ว่าเนี่ยเนาะก็ใส่ว่าคนเนี่ยเนาะ the gods of Israel เนาะเอาไว้เนี่ยปล่อยสลับพวกก็สา I will surely เนาะ I will surely sound out my father by this time the day after tomorrow เอาไว้เนี่ยเนาะเอาไว้เนี่ยไม่ได้แล้วเนาะยากระเจน่ะโตโลบ้าค่ะตากลือเลยเฮ็ดทอว่าเลยจะป้าเนี่ยมั้งเนาะเอาไว้เนี่ยตัดเสกตัวไว้เนี่ยเลยคำสิทธิ์นี่ล้อเนาะเอาไว้เนี่ยเนาะปกติมา if he is bravely disposed towards you เนาะ bravely ดูเนาะปกติมาเลย disposed ကမဟာဝနာနော်နော်ပကတဲ့မှာတော့ wait I not send you words and let you know နော်ဖာနေရကစနနာတကလူတော့ရကတသိညာနာနော်ရကစနတကလူတော့ရကတသိညာနာမနော်တဲ့ရ but if my father is inclined to harm you နော်ဖာနေတော့ဘာသာနာကေမေရပါလဲပကတဲ့မှာလဲမေကမာဟာဝနာနေမနော်မေအဲ့တော့မဟာဝနာနေတဲ့နော်how may the Lord deal with me now I want to kasaywa no I want to deal with me kamaya pe kamaya no it is over so no everly no let no kota I want to meet ta lo pagitena mala ta le about ne lo no if I do not let you know no yami the thinya na ba ni tera no am send you away safely no do pagitena mala yekethena le no aji le pagitena ma tapu ple lo ne lo may the Lord be with you as he has been with my father no do moksa ywa urona no do di uro yapa to ne ki no but so no means I'm feeling kindness like this of the Lord as long as I live no when no there are basana ki no pa phla wara la no I'm feeling no ma pwe ki no ma pwe no ta na ta pagiten ma la khai na ta ki ta wa loga di tu lo kasaywa no le pagiten ma as long as I live le yo umu ni sekton no so that I may not be killed no no mimit khoni yetama thiba na ba no and do not ever cut off your kindness from my family no pagiten ma la na ba lo pagina ma take we wera nata rita wala yi pokopur not even when the Lord has cut off everyone or David enemy from the face of the earth no when it tamil pagina ma no tamil kasaywa no kasaywa mahawa ku wera la pakoga de no everyone no pagina soda we no pagina ma la adu adati da pha la pagina ma la ameta pu la ko klane yeah, no, pain is so Jonathan made the covenant with the house of David. No, pain is you Nathani, when Mawera, but all the soda we he poke up with it past saying David, may the Lord call David's no enemy to account, no, Pagitanama, more Kasayua, no, go where soda willer, no, Pagitan Mala, no, that got over no pagitena ma adu dati pa no and Jonathan has David refrain his out of love for him no when Jonathan no when mawara tatami no refrain no to marawara to kero wara ta la ta ueta no love pagitena ma awete elotha khosane no because he loved him and he loved himself no memit ko awe e or no do awe isiko no kasara we then Jonathan said to David, Jonathan, tomorrow is the new moon festival. You will be missing, no? Come in, metala moon festival, no? New Tatho moon festival, no? Let no kuta name. Nani Nagaba, Pagjamanaba, Tulomata, because your seat will be empty, no? Dobera na lochin on a mock udala imiti sidan no at o flower tado no mi no the day after tomorrow no not in nyai ro come see no toward evening no because tomorrow toward evening to la muhalo no go to the place where you hide when has travel began no namba le ta lo le because ma ne pakututa le ta kwata ke kasarata awan lo begin and wait by the stone easier no because ma la namba ukho le ta le to plug no ko ra easier le plan ne pu no ma ko le pa no I will show 3 arrow to the side of it no when you know you can kapla no kapla third no kapla third no because my le takapani no as thor is aware shoot as a target no when you meet la ya kawara la meet la because my la ta la a low when no ta low when then I will send a point and say no do you can teba put when you know no you teba oh go find the arrows if I say to him no le who kwa ne ra plan ni no ni jamete power ni jamete no if I say me jamete or didn't look the arrow are on the side of you no when ni meta la plan ni o le nakapa no when no brain then no here no do heso or pay no then can because as surely as the laws live you are safe no when meta dollar when kasayone umuwe do na kapu play lo there is no danger when takota keto ba no le takamana bhawana sikoto ba danger no away pekna matakota keto ba no but if I say to the blind no basana ke yemite ra photha when do no look arrow as beyond you no made a plan all on lucky law no then you must go do we plan in number haro penny no when a plan me all on lucky no number haro no do penny no beyond picture man beyond sita sikone over to me le akubu no picture man le lucky picture man beyond no le akapa no because la sunya ni no then must go because the Lord has sent you away no awan in ba ha lo no awan ka sa you are mo so lo wala le ba ha ro yi ro wait ni lo no and about the matters you matter you and I discuss no awan tai ta klulo no because ma no because patelo ta na no patelo ta tai ta klulo pa na pay ni remember no but pretend mala babati no talkie the Lord is witness between you and me forever no when it sa you are uetala naroya no pa lost to forever no so no David hide in the field no pa no so da when ni awa ukutu bra la plom no and when the new moon first day came the king sat down to eat Pani no new moon first in the head to wear out no Pagitana Malasopane a chino order no chino order he said in his customary place by the war no aware Pagitana ma was sinodo no a poadir pamano Pagitana ma takapani no opposite Jonathan no opposite Jonathan sitane aware Pagitana po kwana oluwa pa away ne olu pamano opposite Jonathan no Panero Pagitana mala and Abanas said not to saw Tala Abanan is Chino soccer pamano but David played was imiti no Panero so that we alone imiti no so that we alone it lot chino do aloma so that we alone loma panimano so said nothing no when is so solid data not me but data no that's the nini so solid data for he thought no for he thought that something mad has happened to David to make him no ceremonially. Now panero awesukuma wala tatamila kakiro dado sota winelo no and clean I want to meet all that take a soba did no Suli he is unclean no I want to me balono on a me pole attack soba no but the next day, the second day of the month, no, dollar agatani no, mukini tani la lada la pune, no, second day of the month, lada la pune. David placed was imiti again နော်ဖတ်နေတော့ sort of way အလော့ချီနော်နေ imiti sort of အလော့ချီနော်နေပကတဲ့မှာလဲနော်အတပါရုံတော့ကပါနော် upload share ဖတ်နေမှာနော်တဲ့လားနော် then Saul said to his son Jonathan နော်ဖတ်နေတော့ Saul လူတဲဝဒါနော် Jonathan နေနော်ထဲမဲ့နေနော်အဖို့ကွာ Jonathan နေ why isn't the son of Jesus come to the meal ဘာမလို့နော်ဘာJesus အဖို့ကွာနေတဲ့ဟဲအော့ကိုတာတော့ပဝဲတာလေနော် either yesterday or today နော် either နော်လမဟာတနီတော့တနီညာဤခီနီအတော့ဘူးနော်တဟဲပါလေ Jonathan answer David နော်ပကတဲ့မှာလဲ honestly now ask me for the permission to go to the Bethlehem now Bethlehem တော့ဖနေတော့အဝတ်တဲပဲဒီသူတော့ပကတဲ့လက်ပုကွေဝတ်တဲ့တဲလို့သာသူနေလို့နော်ဖနေတော့ခိဝတာခွတ်တရလဲနော်အဝတ်ကကီဒါဝဆူBethlehem တော့ he said let me go because our family is observing sacrifice in the town and my brother has all no ordering means to be there no ဖနေတော့ရတော့ဘွဲကိုရမနော်ကိုရတော့တဲရလဲရဘဟာကီဖိမနော်လက်တနကိုရဘကီလေနော်ပကတဲ့မှာပကမတီဒါနော်ပကလူရတာဖနေနော်ဒါတဲဝဲတင်းနေ if I have found favorites in your eye နော်တဲရလဲရမတီနေတာလဲပကတဲ့မှာလားလဲနမညာရမကဲပွာလဲပကတဲ့မှာလားနော် favorite လဲနေအေယာပင်မေနော် favorite စစ်တန်းပွာလဲနပါတူပါသာယာနော်ပကတဲ့မှာနော်let me clean it let me get away to see my brother no awatera la didro no yekeki do no yekeki tiwara yedo pwete phama no that is why he has not come to the king table leta ne khota ro ne awat hewe suro sopa bagitena ma la no akha lochi no bi ba no so angel flees up and the Jonathan and the said to him no phane ne no so Saul ne aware pagitena mala angel no kalo ne pagina fleece no get setter no phane Jonathan ne no aware teba o no aware teba di lo no you son of the no pagitena perverse rebellious woman no aware da na me phukwa ga la pagitena mala no thodu thoda ya no don't I know that you have sight with the son of Jesus to your own shame and to the shame of the mother who bore you no ပကတဲ့မှာအဝိနေမိတလာနော်နာအခုတော့ပကတဲ့မှာဆိုတာဝေပဲအဲ့တော့တဲယူကပုံမနော်တော့ပကတဲ့မှာလည်းအဝိနေဂျီစီအဖူခွာနော်အခုတော့ဂျီစီအဖူခွာလည်းနော်ကစားတာဝဲလဲပကတဲ့ shame စီတနဲ့လဲပကတဲ့မှာလည်းနာပကတဲ့မှာလည်းနဲ့တကွမေရပါနော်နဲ့တကွမေရပါတော့ဖက်နေတော့လားကွာလဲအပလန်နော်စစ်ကောမနော်နဲ့တကွစစ်ကောပါ as long as the son of Jesus live on this earth နော်ဖိုင်နေမိတလာနော်ပနေမှာ Jesus အဖို့ခွာနေနော်အကိုဝဲလဟခုခလိုက်တော့ neither you know your kingdom will be established now the end bring him to me for the must die no for he must die လက်တနခုတောင်းနေနော်တဲလာအဝဲဥမှုတွေနေနော်ဘယ်တော့လဲနာပကဒမှာနော်နာတော့နော်ပကဒနတိနကောနေနော်နတိနကောနေအဝဲကကေရောတာလာအကောလောမနော်လက်တနခုတောင်းနေနဘာဆောနေရဆူအိုတော့ပကဒမှာနော်အဝဲကရသီ he must die နော်အဝဲကရသီတော့ why so he be put to death နော်ဖနေတော့ Jonathan Jonathan ဒီကွာဝရလာဘာမနလအဝဲကရလတပါမသီယောလေနော် why has he done no away mata mu kama mani timile Jonathan asks no awani Jonathan ne ti kwa wara apa his father no away apa no his father saw na ba saw hardly his no appear as him to keep him now hardly sidan le anok sara we no pagitena mala spear ado duloma kwi o do mati kwi o no le duloma kwi o do mati kwi so da we no no so lo ado mati kwi do duloma kwi o ti ko la no pagitena no no the Jonathan knew that his father intended to kill David now panero so Nathan ni you Nathan ni ti nya we lo ti lo so tak away a pani patu patala kamati vera soda winero Jonathan got up from the table and feels anger no panero no pagitena mala Jonathan ne aware reset la alachino no pagitena mala aware leve no on the second day of the aware hatak wela no second day of the month he did not eat no da pagitena mala mutni no la la mutni ne pagitena mala la mutni ne mukini tni ne no aware at order he did not eat no aware to order because he was grave as his father aware no aware corporal apama no aware no aware pagitema gravis no atutumutaro ma shameful no pagitema treatments of David no shameful treatment David sitan me tala pagitema la aware mada to create bawa la sota we no awom no shameful se aware me tala patinya pa shame sitan me tala paplida seko patinya no pagitema makutura no shameful ne pamakutura seko aware patinya seko tagi wane no ero tebane in the morning Jonathan went out to the fields for his meeting with David no pana wakoni no Jonathan no aware hato wada la pagina chiplo no kaletilo ta do no kaletilo ta so da wait he has the small boy with him no aware le soko wada la paputaraka no le kokoro paputaraka and he said to the boy no aware tera paputane no run and find the arrows I shoot no panelo he no tala yakapla ti phane le khu no as the boy ran no panelo paputane khiwe no he shot an arrow beyond him no the aware tera aware ne me ta la no plan ne olu namenya ni mo no tera tin mo no when the boy came to the place where Jonathan arrow has fallen no panelo paputa kwani no lewe do le Jonathan pagitena mala a plan lotte lon no bana Jonathan called out no after him no panelo Jonathan ne koro wada no le no isn't the arrow beyond you no pane metala no pagitena mala ke no plan it all no menya ba no then no he shouts hurry no no aware tera la no hato kai mo no mamikli go quickly don't stop no tera hamikli the bapaturi the boy pick up the arrows and then return to his master no panero putta ne hine bra pla ro hakisu pagitama atara oni lo the boy knew nothing out of this no pagitama awane putta wene de tinya ta no de mi ba le ta ma ta ro tit pha no only Jonathan as David knew no panero patinya la Jonathan do dawi lo tinya khia lo ba mni la weti khia ne te lo patawili olo patawili ywa menya no le weti hi pho pho tit pha no aba kwat thwe lo ta menya no pagiten ma le ka sa yo menya ne redu tem no weti olo ta that Jonathan give his weapon to the boy and said no pane Jonathan ne hi weda la no ki aplate the pasu pota when no David go carry them back to the town no David la ke no ke kisoge su the wopu no after the boy has gone no wula ne pota ne ha we lucky ne no David got up from the south side of the stone no pane no pagiten ma so da when no head toward us through pagiten ma soft side no le moon soft side no do phane do stone no le ta pagiten ma le no le menya ne no pagiten ma le le mutho munu pagiten mutho no phane do munu ka pa ma no munu kalisti no when ka pa me le kali so no phane do pagiten ma le the bound down before Jonathan when aware bound down before Jonathan aware he lot ta yu yo ma no yu yo wera pa ke wera no pagiten ma la he lot ta yo pa ke ma no 3 times no pagiten ma la aware he lot ta yo su Jonathan on third blow no with his face to the ground no pagiten ma pa lo ametasu hakko do pagiten ma no yu yo wera no pagiten ma then they kiss each other no away the part and nemula da kiane no and with together ne bagiterma no tabakwa shame no tabakwa shame dito to bas David with the most no panina soda wele bagiterma no awane me pala abakwa shame na na kikli hone no awe ho yewe tubadu tabatu dudu mo no Jonathan said to David the panina Jonathan Deva wala soda wene God in peace no le takuta porki for we have strong Francis ne pagter mala double way pagter mala papa dala tu plakho tal plakho no with each others in the name of the Lord no awani not daga lekasai su amine lo no saying whatever the Lord is witness between you and me I want to you are na do ya busser not David no na do ya busser and between your descendant and my descendant forever not descendant my descendant forever no then David left and the Jonathan went back to the town Penny also down when had no descendant and pretend mala behi pukho puro ni pukho no I want to Jonathan left the heart of willow no double a little color to pacro patu patalo patamu no pacroma dile pacrele dile here Jonathan and the David is they are love each other and they take care of each other they telling the truth each other and then they give it out each other and then they honor each other okay they respect each other whatever they say okay they make a covenant each other okay whatever they do no they said the weakness is from God between this mean is the very important my friend and my brother okay let us go to pakropatu patale patamu no paglera pakamara le kasayo apu migi pakamara timini papa all of the patamu bu the paglera le tameta tota lo nerki no moya suki tu the sweet weko ganerki no this is a God bless you may God bless you because showing you the right thing okay this is a kindness each other take care of each other and then respect each other all right and the David and the Jonathan and David is I most like no I very like it because of this two is respect each other we understand about the David's talking about very stranger thing okay David later than David came into the king David finds something to the Jonathan family and then feeding okay take care okay very good thing okay my friend and my brother thank you so much for today okay you can read and best the Jonathan okay Jonathan and David's story and the first Samuel chapter 20 okay First Samuel chapter 20 you can read it back there you will understand about that this Jonathan and David between happening and then the Saul happened okay let us go to pakropatu patala yuna taro dawi ata kirota ge klulota ata kwi do ya pakterma yunata apa so solo ata pita mani when it panapa sikolo tahuta ge tir pala ku klene pedbalo sukumo petina pata a leke sorry no let us go to pakamara tamita to pakele tamita to di kasayo ata bata to tisikone Nirki, no, Moya sweet boy Koranki, no. You will be like the Jonathan, okay? You are the king's son, but you should be kindness, okay? Kindness to other, okay? The people doing the right, you should be showing your kind, okay? This means that's a great thing. Thank you so much, my brother and sister. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.